Here's a quick rundown of what you get inside the Capcut Video Editor Pro program. First of all, you're going to start off with your welcome video that will teach you everything that you need to know about the program and about what you're going to do inside the program. Next, you have the full Capcut mobile version, everything that you need to know broken down in easy, simple steps so that you can follow them as you go. It's got everything from remove the stinger, that little annoying thing at the end of the video, how to cut everything that you don't need, jump cuts, zoom in and out, speed ramps, captions. Some of these things you won't understand right now, but believe me, they're very easy to learn within this program. Adding text, adding emojis, adding pictures, video. Like you can see, it's very inclusive. Everything that you'll need to know is here. Not only that, but I'll have some videos over my shoulder so you can actually see the way that I'm interacting with it on the screen. You also get the desktop version. So the desktop and the mobile version are slightly different. So I've done a full video program on that as well. And down at the bottom, you're going to get a cheat sheet and content ideas. So your cheat sheet is how you set up your video, how you set up your lights, how you set up your camera, and just how you look around your environment and make sure it's in the best setup for you to get the best out of your video. So again, saving you more time. And then the content ideas is a way that you'll never have to worry about coming up with ideas for content ever again. There are still a few spaces left on the offer that I'm running this week, so please reach out to me with the word interested and I will let you know all about it.